In this world, huge number of persons livings. A person living is righteous soul livings. A person living is wicked soul livings. Righteous soul living is real, but wicked soul living is not real. Wicked soul living purpose is make hard to return to righteous soul living destination of all righteous souls. Huge number of people fight wicked soul and righteous souls. Righteous souls. Righteous souls from righteous soul living destination voyage to righteous soul living destination places. From righteous soul living destination, righteous souls come to as a micro concept world to come to macro concept world via to righteous soul living destination place. So that a righteous soul's living purpose is to return to the righteous soul living destination place. Wicked soul's purpose is revenge and breaking. Make hard to return to righteous soul to return to righteous soul living destination place. A righteous soul has a purpose to righteous soul living destination place. So righteous soul living destinations mission carryings in this macro concept world. Righteous soul's mission is righteous living energy limitless and creational knowledge limitless. But wicked souls do not know it. The mission is banning, breaking, revenge the righteous soul not to go to the righteous soul living destination place. So the righteous souls to runs to righteous soul living destination place, wicked souls breaking, revenging, these whole barriers breaking or run over or and solve the problem or by the ways righteous livings return to righteous living destination place. It is really important. Righteous soul, wicked souls. Righteous soul face to wicked souls. In the macro concept world, is man and woman that get married so that a righteous soul, maybe a wicked souls combined to one of marriage and families. The wicked souls endless make hard a righteous soul not to run to the righteous soul living destination place. Wicked souls. The righteous souls living with a righteous soul living with wicked souls. The righteous souls to the wicked souls, to real lovers, the only ways. This is really sorrowful ways. Why wicked souls make hard to a righteous soul run to the righteous living destination place? What cause? What reasons this still really sorrow? It is very difficult. The phenomenon is December divorce. And the righteous souls self-return to righteous living destination place, plus and minus, righteous soul in, righteous soul yang, combined to zeros, so zero is returned to the righteous soul living destination place. Silence and clear of creation of knowledge place. December divorce is really wicked souls' behaviors. December divorce, elderly divorce, is make, just breaking returning to righteous soul living destination, the final stage. A person's or righteous souls preach all around the life livings preached by the ones of wicked soul breakings, by December divorce, elder divorce. It is very sorrowful things. Very strangely, wicked souls, they are very interesting. December divorce. Then a righteous soul damaged. A righteous soul banned to righteous soul living in their same place. Because righteous soul in, righteous soul yang, and at least zero. So zero is righteous soul living in their same place. As a just divorce, December divorce, then detached in and harmony breakings, so that the pair can't go to righteous living destiny place. Another pair can't go to righteous living destiny place. Very targeted wicked souls. It is very interesting. They are breakings by a December divorce. Both damaged. Who? Witches. Witches are interesting. Witches, they are like just a target. Truth, righteous souls, good livings, and the breakings. In this world, witches, wicked souls are all righteous souls' responsibilities. Get marriage and both each other, doing real other, help other. Just this is very natural. But in the marriage stage, witches, every day, by own ways, drink alcohols, do not matter other pairs, and just the witches' sex relationships, so that in the home, in the pairs, another righteous souls must be good damage, serious damages. A righteous soul, there is any interesting. A righteous soul, impossible to creating change it to wicked soul to righteous souls. This is very sorrow times. Why in this macro concept world is major is sin world, minor is unseen world? Why? They do not know it. Witches, wicked souls do not know it. The endings, eternity living is righteous living destination places. This is a huge, sorrowfully important macro concept of livings. As is possible, do not live in the way of wicked soul livings. This is useless living. This is really just very really opportunities to the completions and the righteous living destination place arrival. But December divorce, impossible. Wicked souls, witches, their focus for their parents not to go to righteous living destination place. Disturbing. This is sorrowful things. And how to do righteous souls. Righteous souls, how to do. Righteous souls have a wicked soul to be living, to be created as righteous souls. All the best livings. It is really hard jobs. I didn't know that. A wicked soul perish every day drinking alcohols. Every day come to home late. Every day they do not talking truth and honest. All the time liars. A righteous souls of perish. Desperations. Real hard. The righteous souls keep in marriages because this is basic conditions. Righteous in, righteous yang, combined to zero, that is returning to righteous living destiny place principle. And then just righteous living energy limitless, creation of no limitless. This is both helpings combining to the completions to self-living destination, arrival destination, righteous living destination place. It is real hard, cause of witch and wicked souls. How to do? This is really big stress. But our righteous souls do honest, do righteous living ways. It share time with other, help other, and to near level others. Only the ways doing real love others. The other is witches or wicked souls. If by lucky, the other is to be changed to the creation of knowledge, righteous souls, then this is real lucky. The end of death, the both are equal zero, yin and yang harmony, and self return to righteous or living destination place. Righteous or livings, enduring, short time is others, help other, and to near love others. Righteous or living ways, the only way it is to go to the righteous or living destiny place. Thank you.